What's up everybody? My name is Matthew and today we're gonna be cleaning some sneakers. Now before I get started, I wanna give a big shout out to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video and for sending me this huge package that has so much stuff inside, and I'm excited to show you guys. And for all of you who do not know what Reshoevn8r is or what they do, just know that in terms of sneaker cleaning, they are by far the best in the game right now. So as you can see, I got some Yeezy 350s here with me, and they're super trash. There's some dirt stains in here, there's some food stains in here. Just overall, not what a Yeezy is supposed to look like, but we're about to fix that right now. So they have sent me the Deep Clean Signature Bundle that they offer. You receive 3 different brushes, soft, medium, and stiff. You get a cleaning solution, a cleaning mat, some shoe trees, sneaker wipes, water and stain repellent, a laundry bag, and some laundry pods. Don't eat these. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is take your cleaning mat, lay it down on the surface where you're gonna be doing the cleaning, and then you're gonna wanna take your shoes and remove the shoelaces first. So for demonstration purposes, I will only be cleaning one shoe, just so I can have a before and after reference at the end of this video. Once your shoelaces are removed, you can take your shoe tree and adjust it according to the size of your shoe and just throw it in there. This just helps maintain the actual shape of the shoe, and it just makes cleaning so much more easier having that support right there. So next thing, you wanna grab a bowl, fill it with water, throw some solution in there, and you're ready to go. For this Yeezy specifically, we will only be needing these soft and stiff brushes. This medium one right here is more so for leather. This shoe does not have any leather, so we will not be needing this today. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the soft brush. This can be used to clean the uppers, like all this. Go ahead and dip it a little bit in your solution, and then just start scrubbing. Start scrubbing away. Now, I'm not sure if there's like a specific technique on how to brush. You can go one direction, back and forth. You can go in circles. I think it's all entirely up to you. Now, I'm not applying that much pressure. I'm kind of just doing some surface level scrubbing. And then for the soles of the shoes, you can use the stiff brush. Oh, this thing is like spraying me in my face, so it's like. Okay, as of right now, I'm about 7 minutes into this shoe. You can already tell a big noticeable difference in these. That's crazy. That's crazy. So once you've gotten to the point where you feel like you've done as much as you could and you just can't get out certain stains, do not worry too much about knocking those out with the brush. Once you throw them in the laundry with these laundry pods, these will knock those stains right out. So I think that's what I'm about to do. You're gonna wanna take your laundry bag. It's got a little pocket for the laundry pod itself. So you can keep your shoe tree in the wash. Just throw this in there, close it up. You wanna take a little laundry pod, throw it in there, close that up, and this is ready to go in the washer. So let's go. All right, so I took the shoes out of the washer. I let them dry for a little bit, and I think it's time for the big reveal, the before and after. These are the before, and in 3, 2, 1. The soles are clean, the uppers are clean, the laces are clean. I did throw the laces into the laundry bag before I threw it into the washer. Forgot to throw that part in, but overall, I think this was a success. I mean, you guys saw firsthand the transformation of this to this, and I mean, it's crazy. Again, I wanna say thank you to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. for sending me all this cool stuff. If you liked any of the products that I used in this video, feel free to hit the link in the description or go to reshoevn8r.com. They offer free shipping, free returns, and honestly, if you're a sneakerhead or if you're just someone who likes to keep their shoes in good condition, I highly recommend them just because they know what they're doing. I hope this video was enjoyable. I hope it was helpful. I'm about to have to get my hands dirty again just because I have to clean these now. So thank you for watching all the way to the end, and peace out.